1. From adventure to captivity. Why the quest for security saps erotic vitality. The original primordial fire of eroticism is sexuality. It raises the red flame of eroticism, which in turn raises and feeds another flame, tremulous and blue. It is the flame of love and eroticism, the double flame of life. Octavio Paz, The Double Flame. Parties in New York City are like anthropological field trips. You never know whom you'll meet or what you'll find. Recently, I was milling around a self-consciously hip event, and as is typical in this city of high achievers, before being asked my name, I was asked what I do. I answered, I'm a therapist and I'm writing a book. The handsome young man standing next to me was also working on a book. What are you writing about? I asked. Physics, he answered. Politely, I mustered the next question. What kind of physics? I can't remember what his answer was because the conversation about physics ended abruptly when someone asked me, and you, what's your book about? Couples and eroticism, I answered. Never was my Q rating as high at parties, in cabs, at a nail salon, on airplanes, with teenagers, with my husband, you name it, as when I began writing a book about sex. I realized that there are certain topics that chase people away and others that act like magnets. People talk to me. Of course, that doesn't mean they tell me the truth. If there's one topic that invites concealment, it's this one. What about couples and eroticism, someone asks. I'm writing a book about the nature of sexual desire, I reply. I want to know if it's possible to keep desire alive in a long-term relationship, to avoid its usual wear. You don't necessarily need love for sex, but you need sex in love, says a man who's been standing on the sidelines, still undecided about which conversation to join. You focus mainly on me and fascination. We remain interested in our partners. They delight us, and we're drawn to them. But for many of us, renouncing the illusion of safety and accepting the reality of our fundamental insecurity proves to be a difficult step.